Start the next topic, consumables. This consumable means it is related to stationery, sports material, medicines. So if any adjustment it is there, then what we will do? Okay, so I will tell the adjustments about the consumables. So this is the adjustments. Amount paid to the suppliers of stationery. Amount paid, okay, amount paid with the amount paid to creditors for medicine, okay, amount paid to for sports material. Suppose if it is 10,000, with that opening advance paid to creditors of stationery. Creditors means if we purchased the stationery on credit basis. If any opening advance paid to creditors of stationery, that we have to add. Then, so we have to, so it will come, this consumable will come expenditure side only. Income and expenditure account, expenditure side only, consumables will come. Okay, this the final amount only will come in expenditure side. So how to adjust the stationery, creditors of stationery? So with amount paid to creditors of stationery, we have to add opening advance. Normally, what are the items? Add opening stock of stationery less closing stock of stationery. Okay, opening stock add, closing stock less. Then if any creditors is there, creditor, outstanding creditor, if it is there, we know that outstanding expense. If it is adjustment means end, add. If an example, outstanding expenses in the beginning, you have to less. So here you look at it, with amount paid to stationery, you have to add opening advance paid to creditors of stationery. You have to add opening creditors less closing advance. Every item they will give. So on that basis, you have to do add or less. If any opening advance paid to creditors, Shubham, afterwards we can talk. Now you listen here. Okay, opening advance paid to creditors of stationery, that you have to add less closing advance paid to creditors of stationery. Okay, next add closing creditors for stationery, means outstanding creditors. Closing means end. Closing creditors for stationery, that you have to add then opening creditors for stationery, that you have to less. Okay, then you will get credit purchase of stationery. So how to calculate credit purchase of stationery? With amount paid to creditors, opening advance paid to creditor, you have to add less closing advance paid to creditor, you have to minus. Then add closing creditors for stationery less opening creditors for stationery. Then you will get credit purchase of stationery, because this every item related to creditors only. So now you will get how much credit purchase of stationery. So you will get 15,000. Now with the credit purchase, you have to add cash purchase. Suppose if it is a 5,000, then you will get total purchase. Total purchase. Then book value of the stationery sold. Suppose if we sold the stationery, book value 50,000, book value 10,000, sold for rupees, book value 10,000, sold for rupees 16,000. You have to take only the book value. Okay, that is less bracket. Now with that opening stock of stationery, you look at the opening stock that you have to add. Opening stock of stationery that you have to add, then closing stock of stationery, that you have to minus. That final amount, that will be the stationery consumed during the year. This amount only we will write the income and expenditure in the expenditure side. Stationery consumed. So 20,000 out of 20,000, 20, 20, 40, 40, 30, 25,000. Clear? So now itself you have to study amount paid to creditors of stationery. Amount paid to creditors of stationery. With that opening, so it is this items, no, everything it is included. Whenever any question comes, you can write it. Okay, sometimes only creditors and opening stock only will come. Opening stock, closing stock, creditors and closing creditors. No cash purchase, nothing it is there. So everything it is contained here. This format, how to calculate stationery consumed. Payment credit paid to, amount paid to creditors. With that opening advance paid to creditor you have to add, less closing advance paid to creditor. Then add closing creditors for stationery less opening creditors for stationery. Then you will get credit purchase of stationery. Then you will get credit purchase of stationery. With that you have to add cash purchase. Then you will get total purchase of stationery during the year. Then from that, you have to minus book value of stationery or sports material or medicine sold. Book value. Then with that opening stock of stationery, you have to add less closing stock of stationery. Then the final answer only will come in the expenditure side. Okay, so if you know this format, you can do any problem. If you don't know, then it will be difficult. Okay, amount paid to creditors, with that opening advance paid to creditors of stationery you have to add. So opening advance, opening stock, add. Okay, closing advance, closing stock, less. Okay, then creditors, outstanding expense, end add, opening less, means closing creditors for stationery. That is outstanding expense only. Outstanding. Then opening creditors you have to minus. Okay, amount paid to creditors of stationery, add opening advance paid to creditor less closing advance paid to creditor, add closing creditors for stationery less opening creditors for stationery. Then you will get credit purchase of stationery. With that you have to add cash purchase, you will get total purchase of stationery. Then less book value of stationery sold or destroyed. Then with that add opening stock of stationery less closing stock of stationery. Then you will get the amount, the final amount, stationery consumed during the year. Otherwise, medicines consumed during the year. Otherwise, the stationery, amount of stationery to be debited to income and expenditure. Okay, amount of stationery to be debited to means expenditure side. Special fund means liability side only. Okay, amount paid to creditors stationery, add opening advance paid to creditors less closing advance paid to creditors, add closing creditors for stationery less opening creditors for stationery. Then you will get credit purchase of stationery, with that add cash purchase. Then you will get total purchase, then less book value for stationery sold, then add opening stock less closing stock. So if they tell prepare the balance sheet means prepare balance sheet, opening stock will come opening balance sheet, closing item will come in the closing balance sheet. So we will do, we are doing one problem. Okay, so we'll start. Any doubts? Okay. So first question, from the following information, calculate the amount of sports material to be debited to income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Opening stock of sports material is given, closing stock of sports material is given, opening creditors for of sports material is given, closing creditors of sports material is given, then during the year creditors for sports material were paid, it is given. Okay, no opening advance, no cash purchase, nothing. Okay, so we will do this problem. Shubham, any doubt? This one, this format? Okay. So we'll do calculation of sports material. Okay, to be debited to income and expenditure. Calculation of sports material. Calculation of sports material to be debited to 4-mark question to income and expenditure account. So only 2 column, particulars, amount. Particulars, amount. So we know the format. First, amount paid to creditors for sports material. So first you have to write amount paid to creditors for sports material. Amount paid to creditors for sports material. Amount paid to creditors for sports material. How much amount it is given?
Amount.
Amount?
1,10,000.
Yes, 1,10,000. Next, closing stock of opening stock of sports material. So opening stock of sports material, what we have to do? Anila, add or less? Opening stock, add. So add opening stock of sports material opening stock of sports material 21,000. Then closing stock of sports material, Hanna, add or less? Less. Closing stock of sports material. So you can write in bracket if it is less, the last only will calculate amount. That also 23,500. Next, opening creditors of sports material. Opening creditors of sports material. Femina, add or less?
Sir, add.
Opening creditors of which one? Sports material. Creditors of sports material means outstanding expenses. No, not opening advance paid to creditor. Okay, it is a creditors of sports material. Creditors of sports material means outstanding expense. End add opening less. End add opening less. Okay, so opening less only. So you can write first add item, then less item. That also no problem. Okay, so add less opening creditors of sports material. Opening creditors of sports material 27,000 bracket. Last, closing stock of sports material. Basil, add or less? Closing creditors of sports material. Irfan, add or less?
Add.
Yes, add. Closing creditors of sports material. Okay, amount is given. This is 20,000. This is 24,000. This is 20,500. Add a closing creditors of sports material 27,000. Okay.
So, isn't it 27,500?
27,500. Which one? Closing creditors.
Yes, sir.
I given 27,500. The question?
Yes.
Closing creditors at 27,500. That is 27,000. Okay. 27,000. If you write 27,500, that is also okay. 27,500. Okay. 27,500. So final answer, that will be sports material to be debited to income and expenditure account. So final answer,
4,06,000.
no.
No, sir, no, sir.
One lakh 10,000 plus 21,000 plus 27,500 minus 24,000 minus 23,500. Answer, answer,
So 1,10,000.
1,10,000. One lakh 10,000. Karthik?
Sir, I got 1,11,000.
Yes, 1,11,000 only. Okay, Aparna, check. 27,500. Okay, 1,11,000. One lakh 11,000. So next one. So next one more question we'll do. Calculate the amount of medicine consumed during the year 31st March 2019. Okay, calculate the amount of medicines consumed during the year. So opening stock of medicine is given, closing stock of medicine is given, amount paid for medicine is given, opening creditors, closing creditors, it is given. Same like last. So we'll do calculation of the amount of medicine. Calculation of the amount of medicine to be debited to income and expenditure account. So two column particulars. So if you want, you can write which one first add item. It is only opening stock here means only stock and the credit is only given. Okay, stock and credit is only given. Okay, for example, material sold. If it is given format, you have to follow. Otherwise, you can write first one amount paid for amount paid for medicines. So it is given here 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Okay. So we know that opening stock, Pavitra, opening stock of medicines add or less?
Add.
Yes. Then Atul, closing stock of medicines add or less?
Sir, less.
Yes. Then Femina, opening creditors
Sir, less.
yes, very good. Okay, so if you want, we can write first add item, add opening stock of medicines, opening stock of medicines, opening stock of medicines. Here it is given 50,000. That is 50,000. Add closing creditors, add closing creditors, add closing creditors. Here it is given 50% of opening creditors, 50% of opening creditors. So here you have to look at opening creditors, how much amount? 20,000. So 20,000, 50%. Okay, 20,000, 50%. Now less opposite aspects. Opening stock here, closing stock of medicines, closing stock of medicines. Next, less opening creditors. Opening creditors. Opening creditors. So closing stock of medicine, it is given 45,000 more than the opening stock. So opening stock is 50,000. So 95,000. Now opening creditors it is given 20,000. Okay, this only medicines consumed during the year. Medicines to be debited to income and expenditure. Medicines consumed, stationery consumed during the year. At least that you have right. Medicines consumed during the year.
One lakh 45,000.
1,45,000. Correct. Shubham Pal. So one more question. From the following information, calculate the amount of medicines to be debited to income and expenditure. Okay, same pattern only. 31st March 2017, 31st March 2018. Opening is 31st March 2017, closing is 31st March 2018. Stock is given, creditors also given. Cash paid to creditors for medicine also given. So same like here. Last question. Calculation of amount of medicines to be debited to income and expenditure account. So here, if it is like this type, no, so you can do other first our format. We can follow our format. If example, if a column base if they given, particular is 31st March 2017, 31st March 2018, stock of medicines, creditors for medicines, if it is given. So the previous method also no problem. There is particulars. Amount. So first one, amount paid to creditors for medicine. Creditors for medicines. So here you have to write 25 lakh. Amount paid to creditors for medicines. Next, with that related to creditor, we have to add like a format. Add closing creditors, closing creditors of medicines, closing creditors for medicines, closing creditors for medicine, closing 8 lakh. Add then less opening opening creditors for medicines. Opening creditors for medicines, you have to less. Then you will get this amount is purchase of medicines. Purchase of medicines. Okay, cash purchase it is not there. So this will be the purchase of medicines. Clear? Extra that only first we will consider only the creditors will take. Here opening advance paid to creditor not there. If it is opening advance and opening advance paid to creditor, just closing advance. Then you will get a credit purchase. But here cash purchase not given. So this is the purchase of medicines. Purchase of medicines. 27 lakh. So if you do the previous also no problem. So next add now here also stock material not sold, add opening stock of medicine. Okay, opening stock of medicines 8 lakh plus closing stock of medicine. Closing stock of medicine. So it is given 15 lakh bracket. Medicines consumed during the year. Amount paid to creditor, add closing creditor means related to credit.
34 lakh.
34. No.
34 lakh.
No. 27 lakh plus 8 lakh minus
15 lakh. Answer is 20 lakh. Answer is 20 lakh. Then here one more question is there. Also present the relevant information in the balance sheet. We have to prepare the balance sheet on 31st March 2018. Okay. Balance sheet 2018. Only two item it is there. So here you have to look here stock of medicine also there, creditors for medicine also there. Stock, closing stock, asset or liability. Only we have to prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. Liabilities only two items, amount, assets, amount. From this question we have to prepare closing balance sheet. If they prepare opening balance sheet also no problem. So stock, asset or liability, Karthik. Stock, closing stock, asset or liability?
Asset.
Yes, assets. So stock of medicines. Only closing we are preparing. Closing you have to write in the asset side. Then creditors for medicines, asset or liability? Pavitra, asset or liability, creditors. First. Creditors. Anat. Creditors.
Asset.
Creditors.
Creditor is
liability. We purchased on credit, so liability. Okay, creditors for medicines. Creditors for medicines. So closing amount 8 lakh. Only this item. Okay. If there's still that prepare opening balance sheet means same only opening item you have to write. Creditors, liability, stock, asset. Stock, asset, creditors, liability. It is a closing, only closing amount you have to write. If it is prepare opening balance sheet means same item only opening items. Opening amount you have to write. Okay. So now time is over. Any doubts? With the payment amount paid to creditors, add closing creditors less opening creditors. If any opening advance paid to creditor, add less closing advance paid to creditor. Then you will get a credit purchase of stationery. Then add cash purchase. Then you will get total purchase. Add opening stock less closing stock. Then you will get the final answer. Okay. Thank you.